Hi, and welcome to the Merrill Manufacturing YouTube channel. Today, we'll be showing you how to fix a leak out of the drain hole on our Any Flow, C-1000, and M-2000 series hydrants. The procedure is identical for all three. For this adjustment, you'll need two 7/16 wrenches, two 9/16 wrenches, and a cup for holding water. The following describes how to lower the rod and plunger to stop the leak. Turn off the water supply. Then remove the lever bolt and nut with the 7/16 wrench, followed by the lever handle and draw straps. With the 9/16 wrench, loosen the top lock nut counterclockwise a full turn and loosen the bottom lock nut counterclockwise until tight. Reassemble the draw straps bent inward along with the lever casting. Reinstall the lever bolt using a 7/16 wrench. Cycle the hydrant lever and check to see if the leaking stopped. If the leaking continues, repeat the process from earlier. Finally, you need to make sure the hydrant is draining correctly. This is done by filling a container with water using the hydrant. Place the nozzle of the hydrant into the container and fill until the water level is above the nozzle. Now shut off the hydrant and watch the water level in the cup. If working correctly, the water level should decrease as suction from the draining water empties the container down the pipe and out the drain hole. If the water level does not decrease, repeat the steps in this video. This will lower the rod and plunger, and the hydrant should drain properly. For questions, products, or further information, we can be found at merrillmfg.com, called at 800-831-6962, or you can find us on Facebook at Merrill Manufacturing Co. Thanks for watching.